this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022. Very excited to be joined by Rich McPherson, Senior Product Manager with Sharp NEC Display Solutions. Pleasure to see you again, Rich. Always good to catch up.
Oh, pleasure to meet you as well. So great being here.
So let's have a quick conversation about HDBaseT in particular as it relates to Sharp NEC. So I know that you've been a longtime partner of the HDBaseT Alliance. You're one of the first to the table, really, especially in the projector category. So explain why that is the case and why you chose to be part of this organization.
Well, when we looked at the technology itself and what it brought to the table, it allowed us to eliminate a lot of the hurdles and cost configurations that has been plaguing the industry for many, many years, whether it's RGB cables, whether it's HDMI cables. It allows us the flexibility to have a simple Cat6e cable, for instance, long distance, without any degradation to the signal, both control, audio, and video.
Mm-hmm. So let's talk about the current product family and how it is already right now benefiting from HDBaseT. Why don't you mention some of the products and also talk about their applications and uses, and if you would like, how HDBaseT is giving outstanding outcomes, not only for integrators, but obviously the clients whose environments they're outfitting.
Yeah, so it starts really with our P-Series projectors, which is our professional series. So there's a P-Series, PA, PX, and PH, and it's integrated to all those different series of projectors. And it allows us to not only have a video signal connection through HDBaseT, which is also that control component within the environment, but it allows us to have an additional LAN port that if they just want to, in the education component mostly, they simply want to have an external control line just for asset management, but still have controlled in the room separately. They can do both, as well as have the video and audio components tied to the same simple cable, right? So then when you couple that with the fact of the install costs related to all the other different types of connectors and cables associated with the different technology, HDBaseT makes the most sense for the installers, as well as the consumer, right? Because whether it's a corporate customer or education, those customers are saving a lot of money on that installation simply by going with a simple Cat6e in the HDBaseT interface.
No doubt about it. So, we're here, as I say, at InfoComm, second day of the show. Hopefully now there's kind of some perspective on how the show is going, the conversations you're having, the people who are coming to the Sharp NEC Display Solutions booth. What are some of your takeaways at this? I know it's the midpoint of the show, but do you have any takeaways at this point?
Well, I think I'm going to tie it back to when we look at the PA and PX series products, we have the ability to have a HDBaseT repeater, what we consider a repeater, but we have that loop out built into the projectors. So when we're talking with customers in that respect, it allows us to tell them, you don't need all these other DAs and everything associated with traditional installs. You simply go from the input on one HDBaseT, output from that particular projector into your next projector, so it eliminates a lot of cost added there. So when we have those conversations, it's a good thing when we're doing edge blending, mapping, things to that effect.
Well, thank you for this conversation, Rich. It was very informative. I appreciate you taking some time to chat with me, inform me, our Commercial Integrators audience, the HDBaseT universe. Thank you for being here.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you very much.
So happy to have been joined by Rich McPherson, Senior Product Manager with Sharp NEC Display Solutions. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022. Looking forward to more great conversations in the days ahead.